Hi, I'm the Danielle Baker, and I'm here to give you a public service announcement for Signature Ink Studio. Did you know we're going to be giving away free services on Saturday? This Saturday, January the 18th, we're going to be giving away multiple free services. You can come down and get makeup artist services, hairstyling services, wardrobe styling services, and you can also get free photo shoots on Saturday, January the 18th. So maybe you have a business and you just need a headshot for your business cards, or maybe you're a model that's looking to start your portfolio or even build your portfolio. Here is your opportunity to come down to our open house. It's also a mixer. So if you just say, hey, I got a business and I want to be able to tell more about it or exchange information about it, or you want to learn more about the industry, come down and mix and mingle with everybody. We're going to have complimentary refreshments. You get an opportunity to see our new renovations that we have going on and find out more about our company. We would love to have you on January the 18th from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Our location is 1714 St. Paul Street, Baltimore, Maryland 21202. You can also find out more information from our website at www.thedaniellebaker.com. That's www.theedaniellebaker.com. So again, public service announcement for Signature Ink Studio. We would love to have you here on January the 18th. Thank you.